students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to start a very new chapter. Do you know that? That is the 4th chapter and a new things for you. In the first time, today we are going to learn a new mathematics, new number systems that is called as rational numbers. Till today you have never heard that words like rational numbers. Yes? Did you hear that? No. Before you have studied that natural numbers, you have studied that whole numbers, and in that you have studied also integers. But what is that rational numbers? It is the first time in your life. Yes? Okay. So very interesting thing, students. Today we are going to start the 4th chapter, that is the rational numbers. So first of all, let me explain about that. What is that rational number? Rational number क्यों पढ़ते हैं हमें? Why we should learn and what is that rational number and what is the difference from that other number systems? Okay. So do you have an idea about that, students? Fractional number? Yes. We have studied that in the 2nd chapter, that is the fraction, and 3rd chapter also we have studied that decimal numbers. So but today we are going to discuss about that rational numbers. So what is that fractional number and what is that rational number? Little correlations are there and some part of that we have to discuss and we have to compare. Okay. So let us see first of all what is that rational number. So rational number means a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q should not be 0. P and q both are the integers, are called as rational number. Did you understand, students, what is the rational number? As like a fraction. Fraction से क्या हो सकता ना? A number can be expressed in the form of p by q, and p by q are the whole numbers or the natural numbers. Yes, we have studied that. That is the same like, friends. A number can be expressed in the form of p by q, but p by q are the integers. P and q are both are the integers. So that is called as a rational number. This is the difference. That means p by q like we have to write it, but p and q both are the whole numbers, natural numbers. At that time we are saying it is a fraction. But whenever we are saying p and q are the integers we are expressing, that time we will say it is a rational number. So let us start that. What are the examples and how that differ it is a fraction. From the fraction, how it is differ, we will discuss. First of all, write down the definition, students. Rational number definition: the number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. कौन से एक नंबर को हम ऐसा p by q करके लिख सकते, तो उसको हमें क्या एक्सप्रेशन बोल सकते हैं, रेशनल नंबर बोल सकते हैं. लेकिन हम p by q को क्या बोल सकते हैं? फ्रैक्शन भी बोल सकते हैं. लेकिन q should not be 0 condition and p q are the any integers. ये जो p and q इंटीजर्स होना है, नेगेटिव नंबर भी होना है. फ्रैक्शन पे नेगेटिव नंबर होता है क्या? नहीं होता, वो नेचुरल नंबर होना है. ठीक है. लेकिन इन द रेशनल नंबर पे नेगेटिव नंबर भी हो सकता है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल 2/3s it is a fraction, 5/6s it is a fraction, but -10/3 what is that? 8/-3 what is that? It is not a fraction. It is not a fraction because it has the numerator or denominator as an integer. So we can say it is a fraction. Okay. So it should be a whole number like the natural number should be like, but these are not. It is a rational number. Okay. So what is the rational number? The number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, or q not equal to 0 and p and q are the any integers. So मतलब हमें जो p by q फॉर्म, this is p, this is the q, हमें ऐसा कौन सा नंबर को लिख सकते हैं, तो उसको बोलते हैं हमें rational number. Suppose 3/-4. Here p is equal to 3, q is equal to minus, but we cannot write it 3/0. 0 is also an integer, but we cannot write it 3/0. क्यों? हमारा condition q should not be 0. Why we should give that condition q should not 0? Now if 3/q, if you are doing that, their value undefined will know. We cannot identify the value. We can any number to 0 will divide. What will get that? We cannot find out. So indefinite means undefined we should say. That's why that q should not be 0. ठीक है. Next, note that students, remember that some important point for you about the rational number. In these 3 points you have to remember. Every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number may or need not be a fraction. First condition, students, you have to remember. Every fraction is a rational number. Every fraction, कौन सा भी fraction तुम बोलो, it is a rational number. But all rational numbers need not be fraction. That means, suppose I will say now, minus 10 by 3 I have written. It is a rational number, q. Q also it is represented by q. And whenever we are writing this, it is belongs to rational number, but it is not a fraction. Okay, that means every fraction we can say rational number, but every rational number need not be क्या है fraction. ठीक है. Second condition, all integers can be expressed as a rational number, but all rational number need not be an integer. Every integers we can express as a, what is that, as a rational number. मतलब suppose 5 हम लिख सकते हैं 5 by 1, क्योंकि 5 is equal to 5 by 1, इसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 लिख सकते हैं. लेकिन every rational number को मतलब 5 by 3 can you express in integer? No. So every integer can be we can express as a rational number. Suppose 0 is also an integer, but it is also an rational number. कैसे होता है? 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So it is p value, this is q value. So p by q form we have written. So hence 0 is also a rational number. Okay. Students, did you understand about that? Okay. That means first of all rational number क्या होगा? Now when a number can be expressed in the form of a p by q, q should not be 0 and p and q are the integers. ऐसा हम लिख सकते तो p by q फॉर्म लिख सकते तो उसको बोलते हैं रेशनल नंबर. उसका कंडीशन क्या दिया, नोट्स क्या दिया, तुमको याद रखना है. एवरी रेशनल नंबर कैन मींस एवरी फ्रैक्शन कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द रेशनल नंबर, बट एवरी रेशनल नंबर नीड नॉट बी ए फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, एवरी फ्रैक्शन कैन बी, वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द रेशनल नंबर, बट एवरी रेशनल नंबर वी कैन से दीज आर द, व्हाट इज दैट, fraction. And all integers we can express as a rational number. कौन सा भी रेशनल इंटीजर तुम बोलो, उसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 करके तो उसको हमें एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं as a रेशनल नंबर, बट एवरी रेशनल नंबर को हमें नहीं कर सकते as a what, an integer. And 0 is also an integer, but we can express as a rational number. So 0 is a rational number. Okay, so now we will discuss some rational numbers like positive rational number, what is that, and a negative rational number क्या है. What do you mean by rational, positive rational number? Now when a rational number having positive, both are positive or both are negative of the numerator and denominator. Any suppose whenever we are writing one rational number, it has like the numerator and the denominator as like the fractions. Okay, p and q. P and Q both are positive, either both are negative, then it is called as a positive rational number. कैसे होता देखो, I will explain here friends. I will rub it. Look at here friends. First of all we have to see that here. Suppose I have written 10 by 4. Yes, here this is positive, this is also positive, so hence it is a positive rational number. Both are positive, p and q. Suppose I write it minus 10 by minus 8. So both are negative, both p and q are negative, hence this is also called as positive rational number. Positive rational number. Did you understand? This is also called as a positive rational number. Okay. So look at here students, we can understand that about that. What is that positive rational मतलब जब both p and q, now this is p value how much? P value p is equal to minus 10. Q value how much? Minus 8. So both are negative. Hence p and q both are negative, either or both are positive. this is P, this is the Q, this is positive, this is positive. Then we can say that rational number is a positive rational number. For example, 2 by 3, this is positive, this is positive. 5 by 7, this is positive, this is positive. Minus 3 by minus 2, you should observe that here. These both are negative, hence this is also positive rational number. Minus 10 by minus 5, this is also, what is that? Positive rational number. Kyun? Both are negative. Either both are positive or both are negative. Both are means P and Q. That is called as a positive rational number. Now we will discuss about that. What is that negative rational number? A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominators have the opposite signs. That means एक numerator positive होगा तो denominator negative होना है, और numerator negative होगा तो denominator positive होना है. मतलब opposite sign होगा तो उसको बोलता है क्या है? Negative rational number. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator have a opposite sign. देखो ये फर्स्ट में क्या है? The numerator is negative and denominator is positive. Hence this rational number is called a negative rational number. Here also 5 by minus 4. This is positive, this is negative. This is negative, this is positive. One negative sign or one positive sign, or we can say internally we can say one negative sign if it is there, then we can say it is negative rational number. Did you understand, students? So I hope what is that rational number and what are the key points, or remember notes points, and what are the properties in generally about rational numbers, and especially we have discussed about the different types of rational number like a positive rational numbers and a negative rational numbers. Next tomorrow we will discuss in this video about that second video. We have to see what is that equivalent rational number and how we have to test up the equivalent rational number. So just remind students, equivalent rational number means क्या होता. Now whenever we will cross multiply numerator to denominator of the two rational numbers, if the both values are same, then we can say it is a equivalent rational number. Means the product of numerator and denominator of the two rational numbers, if the values are same, then we can say it is a equivalent rational number. So let us see in the upcoming video, second video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.